My name is Andréane Parent, but everyone calls me Anne. I'm a manager of the Supply Chain Consumer Industries Specialised team. Robert Walters is a British global recruitment firm doing business in Japan since the early 2000s. We specialize in bilingual recruitment from junior, mid-career, all the way through to executive level positions. As a business, we cover both permanent and contract hiring. In our team, what we can offer is an extensive network of bilingual supply chain talents in Japan. Our team has a combined 20 years of recruitment experience in our field. Our track record includes successful retained and contingency searches on recruitment projects such as the launch of a manufacturing site startup operations in Japan. We deliver the highest service standards, whether you are a small, mid-size, or international corporation. My team covers industries in the fast-moving consumer goods, as well as the restaurants, retail, luxury, consumer electronics, wholesale. Function-wise, we recruit for manufacturing operations at the plant in factory management, packaging, health, safety, quality, as well as supply chain, logistics, and customers operations. Our philosophy is to understand your story and your goals, leverage your strengths to fulfill your unique potential. We go the extra mile and act with a sense of urgency. We have a diverse portfolio of clients. We think outside the box, and we are here to help you hire the right talent on time. 日本語でのお問い合わせも大丈夫です。ご遠慮なくいつでもご相談ください。